Hello guys, today magme-makeup kami. May powder na nga pala kami sa blush. Siya na may makeupan po. Tingin ka sa akin.
So I do the next best thing. I sprint into a church, grab holy water, and watch as the undead melt before me. The next morning, I sell my loot and make a realization. Snake oil. My speed and its effect have become
Yung isa baka
another thought reset. Do I even need the train anymore? At this speed, the train is holding me back, and I can sense.
Walang girls, no. Pero okay mo yan.
The problem arises. I still have no way to fight. No matter, I'll repeat my strategy. Retrieve
No.
the holy water, cleanse the horde,
No.
surge past the storm, making it
I am-
out to seize my salvation.
So,
By the time I pulled out the holy water, I was already dead.
ay shadow na kami.
Just turned
Che!
into an absolute
Dito ka na, dito na. Paano ka kami make-upan? Dali, mata na tayo. Last na po. Pwede umupo ka na. Dali mo. Mata na ko, last na po. Tingin. Pikit!
Oh, magkapatid na naman kayo. Kaya magkaaway-away na naman. Ako bigla, kanina ko yung nakikita yun. Ah! Ano siya?
Anong gusto mo maging? Hindi ka pusa! Dali, pinga! Tingin! Patingin! Tingin! Star! Dito ka tingin! Hindi sa camera. Patingin na, Star. Pikit! 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 Pikit ko. Pikit mo.
lowest heart rate in geometry that we already know the highest heart rate world records can be constantly. What if I told you this player achieved the lowest heart rate over 4 years ago on November 5th, 2020? The notorious Geometry Dash player was attempting the level Tartar sauce and suddenly he got past his choke point 40% of the moments of action.
Hindi pa nga, wala pa nga dito sa kabila eh. Uy! Nagsabi na ka.